March 23rd. We are here at the temple, back again, and as usual Sadalus moving on, and this is the main gate, and here we enter. This is the view. Our supporters followers from Bangalore still here, continue. There's the Rudra Abhishek going on. Swami Nandlalji's Pratima. Again, mainly using the southern door, and 3 doors were opened yesterday. That's the other side, gazebo out there, and here is the darshana, today's darshana of Mata. Jai. The Shaligram Nepalese followers sent me and the fire stone from the Sarognya Peeth out there, as ordered by Bharati Tirthaji Maharaj. And this is the Shaligram, this Adi Shankaracharya ji. Jai. Jai.